Hello dear students, welcome back to the class. In today's class, we will continue the remaining portion of exercise 31, okay, which we had done in previous class. So it is in page number 75. So up to question number 15 we have completed, okay. Now next is from question number 16. Question says that state which of the following statements are true and which are false. So question number 16, first is this. So you have to say which is true and which is false, okay. You simplify, equals to sign is here, okay. So you do the simplification from this side and this side, you can do simultaneously, okay. So it implies, first of all I'll copy the question, 5 by 6 into 7 by 8, okay. Given, I'll write given, okay. This is your question, again you copy the same thing, okay. It's given 5 by 6 into 7 by 8, like this, it is like this. Now in left hand side, if there is chances to cancel numerator and denominator, then you have to do, okay. This part is left hand side, this part is right hand side. So here 5 and 6 you cannot cancel, 7 and 8 you cannot cancel, this side also you cannot cancel. So simply you multiply, 5 7s are 35, 6 8s are 48, and on right hand side, numerator and denominator, they have no common factors, okay. So you cannot cancel, simply you multiply, 5 7s are 35, 6 8s are 48. So you got same thing on left hand side and right hand side, 35 by 48, this side also 35 by 48. Therefore the given statement is true. Since since LHS is equals to RHS, I'll give the meaning of LHS and RHS, okay. Since LHS equals to RHS, the given statement is true. LHS means you note down properly, okay. Note just below this, write down note number 1. LHS means left, LEFT, left. L stands for left, H stands for hand, and S stands for side, okay. And RHS is right, R stands for right, RIGST, right. H stands for hand, S stands for side. So left hand side, since left hand side equals to right hand side, that means from this equals to side, this side is left side, okay, left hand side, and this side is right hand side. So since left hand side equals to right hand side, the given statement is true. So now let's move on to another question. Okay, question number 17 is 19 1 by 2 into 2 by 39 equals to 1. You have to check whether this statement is true or not, okay. So first you copy the same question, given 19 1 by 2 into 2 upon 39 equals to 1. So you convert this into proper fraction, it will be equals to 2 9s are 19 1 by 2. You know the process to convert, you have to multiply 2 into 19, 2 into 19, 2 into 19 plus 1 divided by 2. I have already taught you, okay, this one in previous classes. You have to multiply this 2 into 19 plus here to add this, whatever is left here you have to add here, okay. So 2 into 19 is 38, 2 9s are 18, 38, okay, plus 1 divided by 2. So it will be 39 divided by 2. So here you will get 39 divided by 2. This you can copy in rough column, okay, into 2 upon 39, this as it is, equals to 1. Now in left hand side you can cancel this 2 and 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Here 39 1s are 39, 39 1s are 39. So you got 1 into 1 is 1, divided by 1 into 1 is 1, equals to 1 on right hand side. This side you have 1, okay. So 1 divided by 1 is always 1, equals to 1. since you write down the same statement whatever I gave you in previous question number 16, you copy the same statement. Okay, since left hand side equals to right hand side, the given statement is true. Okay, now next question number 18. 3 2 by 3. Okay, 3 2 by 3 into 2 by 5 equals to 3 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 5. So copy the same thing first, given given 3 2 by 3 into 2 upon 5 is equals to 3 into 2 into 2 upon 3 into 5. Implies you convert this one in rough column. You can convert 3 2 by 3 means 3 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. This into this plus this. 3 is a 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 divided by 3. 11 by 3. So here you will get 11 by 3 into 2 by 5 is equals to, in right hand side you can cancel this. See this 3 and 3 you can cancel one time. Okay, and this you cannot cancel. You are left with 2 into 2 divided by 5. So no need to write this one. 1 into 2 will be 1 only. Okay, so no need to write that one. Left hand side there is no chances to cancel numerator and denominator. So 11 2s are, just multiply it. 11 2s are 22 divided by 3 5s are 15. Again I'll repeat. You have to multiply numerator and numerator. 11 into 2 22, 3 into 5 15 equals to 2 into 2 is 4 divided by 5. You cannot simplify further. Okay, left hand side you got 22 by 15 and right hand side you got 4 by 5. This and this there is no chances to cancel also. Since left hand side not equals to right hand side, since LHS not equals to, this means RHS. Okay, this is not equals to, NOT not EQUALS equals to. Since left hand side not equals to the right hand side, the given statement is false. So given statement is false since left hand side is not equals to right hand side. Okay. Okay, now next question is number 19. 5 1 by 7 into 3 by 4 equals to 5. Here you have plus. Okay, plus 1 by 7 into 3 by 4. So let's write the given statement first. Given this I'll convert it directly. Okay, 5 7 is 35 plus 1 will be 36 divided by 7 into 3 upon 4 is equals to 5 plus 1 by 7 into 3 by 4. Rough column. Rough. 5 1 by 7 will be equals to 7 into 5 plus 1. This into this plus this divided by 7. So 7 into 5 is 35. You have to follow board mass. First multiply and then add. Okay, 35 plus 1. So don't add this to first. Don't write a 7 into 6. 5 plus 1 6. Don't write that. Okay, you have to follow board mass. BOD board mass rule you have to follow. Multiply comes before addition. Okay, so you have to multiply this to first. Divided by 7. 35 plus 1 is 36 upon 7. So 36 upon 7 I have written. So here you can cancel this. 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. Now you cannot cancel again. So 9 divided by 7 into 3 divided by 1 is equals to 5 plus, here you have plus and here you have into multiply sign. Okay, so you have to do multiplication first according to this board mass rule. So 1 into 3 is 3, 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Now you multiply numerator and numerators. 9 3s are 27 divided by 7 1s are 7. 9 3s are 27 9 3s are 27, 7 1s are 7 in denominator, okay, is equals to this. I have taught you how to simplify. Below this it will be 1. So 28 will be the LCM. You have to multiply 28 into 5 or 5 into 28 plus 3. You have to do like this. In previous exercise we have done this type of simplification. 28 is the LCM, so this 5 into 28 you have to do, okay, plus 3. So 27 divided by 7 is equals to, multiply it, 5 into 28, 28 into 5, 5 8s are 40, 4 is carried over, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 is 14. Again I will repeat, 5 8s are 40, 4 is carried, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14. So 140 plus 3 divided by 28. 140 plus 3 divided by 128. So I'll erase this part. From this line, left hand side, you copy as it is, since you cannot simplify further, okay. And right hand side, 140 plus 3 will be 143 divided by 28. So we got this. Now check this and this, whether you can they have common factors or not. 28 you can divide by 2, but this you cannot divide by 2, so you cannot cancel it with 2. With 3 you cannot cancel both the numbers, 3 4 plus 4 8, okay. With 4 you can cancel this, 4 7s are 28, but you cannot cancel this. So with 5 you cannot cancel, with 6 also you cannot cancel, with 7 this goes, this you cannot cancel, okay. So this and this, they have no common factors, therefore this side you got different and this side you got different. Since LHS not equals to RHS, the given statement you write down the final statement on your own, okay. So next, question number 20 and 21 is your home task, okay. Question number 20 and 21. Question number 20 and question number 21 is your home task, homework. Thank you. This much for today's class, okay. You practice for the test properly. On 3rd of August you have test, isn't it? So practice properly for the test. Thank you.